In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT as a professional course module name generator to quickly build out your curriculum. I start by heading over to my browser and opening ChatGPT. Then I pull up a text editor where I have my initial setup prompt ready to go. I highlight the text that defines my persona as Josh, an online course creator, and outlines the specific professional style I want for my modules. I copy that, paste it into the message bar, and hit enter. ChatGPT confirms the instructions and is now ready to help me build my course structure. Next, I go back to my notes to grab the prompt for my first project, which is a freelance writing course for beginners. I highlight the request for 6 modules that follow a clear learning progression, copy it, and paste it into the chat. As you can see, the AI instantly generates a solid foundation, covering everything from picking a niche to winning that first client. To make these titles even more compelling, I decided to change the style. I go back to my text editor and copy a prompt that asks ChatGPT to rewrite those modules using a transformation-focused approach. I paste it in, and now the names are framed around the student's journey, like moving from uncertainty to a professional mindset. Now, let's try a different topic. I highlight a new prompt for a personal finance course for young professionals, copy the text, and paste it into the chat. Within seconds, I have a full 7-module curriculum that covers budgeting, debt, and long-term wealth. If I want more variety for specific sections, I can ask for alternatives. I copy a prompt asking for 5 different naming styles for modules 3 and 5, including question formats and metaphors. I paste that in, giving me plenty of creative options for my curriculum. Finally, I want to see how to break a module down into lessons. I go back to my notes one last time to copy a prompt that asks for a lesson-by-lesson breakdown of the budgeting module. I paste it into ChatGPT, and it generates 5 specific lessons that tell the student exactly what they will learn. This process makes curriculum design incredibly fast and efficient. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.